Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create text to music or text to MP4 file absolutely free. So if you are beginner, don't worry, keep watch full video, don't skip any second because every second are very important. So at first I am going to click jump. It's provide a Microsoft app. It's absolutely free. This link I will attach in description below. Then you need to log in here. Just a simple put your Gmail. Then this is the interface you can see. Then I'm going to create a video. This is a 1 minute work you can do if you are living in Africa, Asia, Europe and America. This doesn't matter where you live in because this website work worldwide. At first I'm going to this one. Then you need to create and input a video or audio. Here are lots of options. Example of record and create, template, music and SPX, text. And if I click here, then this is a text. You can add any text in a video. This is absolutely free. So I'm going to record and create for text to speech. Then you need to select a specific language. This company work multiple language. So I'm going to here. Then English is a default language because it's absolutely free. So I something right here. Example. I write this option, then I select a language. This company actually provide multiple language. Example of United States English, English Filipino, English Singapore and Filipino, France, Hebrew, Hindi, then Bangla and Korean. Lots of options you can generate, no problem. Then you need to select a voiceover. Example of if you like to female, if you like to male, then here there are lots of options. If you like a gay, so I like default. Then voice style, general, chat, angry, friendly, excited, and lots of option assistant. So I can general. I would like to general. It's the and it's speech. Example of low, medium, high. This is better. Then high correction from some text. So now I waiting for processing. So okay, this is a very beautiful voice. And then I am going to for download, save to media. Just click here. Then you can see this is interface. Just waiting, preparing my video. So this video will complete it. Now I'm turn here. This video just turn. Then if you like to add a example of a video, example skin and camera skin. If you like to add a text, some text, no problem. And then here is a lots of stock image. So you can add anything. This is absolutely free. So example of I add this image. You can see this is importing. This is the processing file actually. So I don't need this file, and so I delete it. Then just click here, then delete, click. So if you don't like to add, just click delete. So I want to download this video for dark mode, just click export. If you want to download this video 480 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel and 4K is available. So I download 720. This is a better. So just click here, so you can see my file are ready. GPT, make money online, and then AI animation video, etc, etc. Please keep watch others video in my channel and turn on notification. We'll see you again in next video. Take care.
Welcome, my name is MD Abu and I am from Bangladesh.